Hi guys, today I want to make for you steamed fish together with glass noodles. It's a classic Chinese dish, very delicate, so flavorful, but most importantly, very simple to make. Let's go. The fish I'll be using today is a beautiful white pomfret. Yeah, the white pomfret is suited for steaming compared to the black pomfret, which is more suited for frying. Yeah, the black pomfret has a thicker skin compared to the white pomfret. That's why the white pomfret is a little bit more delicate. Yeah, and it's very suited for steaming. And you want to make sure when you're steaming fish, you want to get the fish that's as fresh as it could be. You know, look at the eyes. Make sure the eyes are nice and, you know, sort of clear and fresh and not bruised or cloudy. That's very important. Yeah, I've got the fishmonger to sort of clean the fish up for me, so it's already ready to go. Okay, but before, and here's the thing, the pomfret cooks very quickly, so we want to prepare all the other condiments first and then we cook the pomfret. Use a spoon, peel some ginger. Couple of slices of ginger we set aside. We'll be using it to inside the body of the pomfret when we set it out to steam. Now this will go with the fried garlic just to give it another dimension of aroma. So we've got a ginger, put it into a food processor together with a lot of garlic. Blitz. Okay, cold pan, add in cold oil, the minced up ginger and garlic goes in. The reason I start with the cold oil is so that, you know, we really get to cook the garlic all the way through. If you start with hot oil, chances are your garlic is going to sort of turn too brown before it actually becomes crispy. So when you're frying things like, you know, fried garlic or fried shallots, always make sure you start with cold pan, cold oil. Now this is sort of like a dish that you don't really get in you know, your big cities anymore, where the pomfret fish is served together with a beautiful sort of sweet, savory soy, garlicky sauce, and on the side together with either rice noodles, vermicelli, or in this case I'm using glass noodles. Yeah, you don't really find that combination anymore in a big city. So I thought this is a dish that I usually frequent this restaurant when I go back to my hometown in Melaka, and this restaurant serves it. So I thought I want to share this really nice recipe with you guys. You can start to see the garlic sort of turning nice and golden brown, and that smell, my goodness, it's just simply amazing. Now garlic's done. What we're going to do is we're going to sift this out and use the oil. That oil is going to be the base for a delicious sauce. So you can imagine the flavor in the oil. Get that nice, beautiful, crispy garlic out. Garlic oil goes into the pan, and remember I said that couple of slices of ginger goes in as well. All right, now for the fish, get the ginger, a couple of slices of ginger in there, just to perfume the fish from the inside out. And I'm going to score just 2 scores because the fish isn't so big, and I'm not scoring on the other side because the scoring is mainly for the presentation of it. The pomfret isn't very thick, so it'll cook quick anyway. Now one thing to remember when you're cooking fish is to always make sure that the fish is sort of elevated from the base. Okay, so some people use spring onions. I like to use chopsticks. Yeah, so you sort of lay the chopsticks over the plate, put the fish over, and the reason for this is to enable airflow so that the fish on the bottom will get cooked as evenly as the fish on the top. Yeah, if it's stuck to the base of the plate, the steam isn't going to get to the middle part of the bottom side of the fish. So that's very important. It doesn't matter what fish you're steaming, even if it's a fillet or the entire fish, you always have to make sure that the bottom isn't directly at the base of the plate. Okay, so here we have our steamer, and this is ready to go in. Cover it up, full whack, and that will take approximately between 9 to 12 minutes. Yeah? The ginger is nice and fragrant. We're adding in some spring onions. Oh, once the spring onion starts to sizzle, that smell is just so delicious. Now we'll be adding in soy sauce. Water. This goes to a ratio of 1 part soy sauce, 2 parts water, okay? Because the soy is salty. Rock sugar. So the rock sugar gives a nice sort of sweet and a nice shine onto the sauce, but it also has a nice richness to it. Now we're just gonna wait until the rock sugar dissolves, and then the sauce, taste it, and it's ready to go. All right, the sauce is done. The rock sugar is all dissolved, a dash of white pepper, and this is a beautiful, savory, sweet, aromatic sauce. All right, so the fish should be done. There we go, beautiful. Nice. So the one way to know that your fish is done, you look at the eyes, everything sort of turns white, you know that the fish is done. Yeah. So all the sauce that's caught underneath the plate, that's not jus that you want to use. Okay. Transfer this onto a serving plate. Remove your chopsticks. Now we've got the sauce here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pour this sauce over the fish. Now I have soaked up some glass noodle in some warm water earlier on. So this, we're just going to sort of roll it. Some glass noodles here and there. There we go, to be eaten along together with the fish. Now, we have here our crispy fried. Listen to that. Ooh, nice, crispy, aromatic fried garlic that has sort of a little bit of ginger in there. So just top it all around the fish. And you've got beautiful spring onion just over this beautiful fish. And there you have it, guys. This is steamed pomfret fish together with glass noodles. All right, so now for a taste test. Yeah, get a bit of the fish, get that gravy in there. First, you always eat without the starch. So good, guys. The fish, nice, delicate, succulent. The gravy, sort of savory, sweet, so aromatic with the ginger, the garlic, the spring onion, everything coming through. You serve this to your family, I guarantee it's gonna end up clean. Now let's go with a little bit of the noodles. Even just having the noodles together with this gravy, it's absolutely delicious, yeah? I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, guys. I also hope that it'll add to your repertoire of dishes that you cook for your family or your friends at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this and you think it's added value to you, please do click the like and subscribe button. I really do appreciate the support. Share it with your friends, family, and maybe your dog, your cat, whoever. Let them watch. You know, we need the views. I'll see you next week, guys. Take care. Have a great week. Ciao. My God, this is just absolutely stunning. Now the fish, get the garlic in, send the spring onion in, get the glass noodle in. I love using glass noodle because of the texture of glass noodle. It's a lot more, it's a lot springier, it has a lot more character in terms of texture. I'm a happy man. I can die and go to fish heaven right now. Peace.